Welcome back, Pokemon fans, to another thrilling countdown on Anime List. Today, we are going on a deep dive into the world of Pokemon movies with our list of the top 10 best Pokemon movies Part 2. From epic battles to heart-warming friendships, these films have captured the magic of the Pokemon universe. So, let's get ready to explore these amazing adventures that have left a lasting impact on fans worldwide. But before we begin, a quick shout out to NordVPN. Want to watch Pokemon movies from anywhere in the world? NordVPN can make it happen. With NordVPN, you can securely access streaming platforms to enjoy your favorite Pokemon movies, no matter where you are. Check out the link in the description to start streaming with NordVPN today. First, Pokemon the movie, Kyurem vs. the Sword of Justice. Join Ash, Pikachu and their friends as they encounter the legendary Pokemon Kyurem, whose presence causes disturbance in the world. Keldeo, a young Pokemon who wants to become a Sword of Justice, requests Ash help in facing Kyurem and proving its bravery. This movie is a thrilling ride filled with action-packed battles and explore themes of bravery and determination against overwhelming situations. Second, Pokemon the movie, Secrets of the Jungle. Join on an enchanting jungle adventure with Ash and Pikachu as they befriend Coco, a boy raised by Pokemon. Together, they go on an adventure to save the jungle from destruction while solving the mystery of the mythical Pokemon. Jarode. This movie highlights the bond between humans and Pokemon and celebrates the importance of protecting nature and wildlife. Third, Pokemon Mewtwo Strikes Back Evolution. Rediscover the iconic story of Mewtwo Strikes Back in this computer-generated imaginary remake, where Mewtwo's search for identity and purpose takes center back once again. Enjoy the battle between Mewtwo and powerful trainers as they fight their past and learn the true meaning of kindness and understanding. Fourth, Pokemon the movie, The Power of Us. Set against the scene of Pula City's Wind Festival, this film follows Ash and a wide-ranging group of characters who join together to save the festival from disaster. Each character brings their unique goals and challenges, highlighting the power of teamwork and unity in overcoming hardship. This movie is a celebration of people's unity and the strength that can be discovered together for a common goal. Fifth, Pokemon the movie, Black Victini and Reshiram. Discover a captivating saga of legends and heroism and Ash meets the enigmatic Pokemon Victini. This movie explores themes of destiny and sacrifice while featuring epic battles between Reshiram and Zekrom, highlighting the bond between Ash and Victini as they navigate a world filled with challenges and secrets. Sixth, Pokemon, Giratina and the Sky Warrior. Journey into the mysterious fiction world with Ash and friends as they meet Giratina, a powerful legendary Pokemon. This movie explores concepts of redemption and forgiveness, focusing light on Giratina's complexities and its essential role in maintaining balance within the Pokemon world. Seventh, Pokemon Jirachi Wishmaker. Take Ash, Pikachu and friends on a magical journey with the legendary Pokemon Jirachi as they face challenges and battle ancient evils. They discover the deep power of wishes and the eternal bonds of friendship. The heartwarming film is filled with enchanting moments and timeless life lessons. 8th, Pokemon Arceus and the Jewel of Life. Take on an epic journey through time as Ash meets the legendary Pokemon Arceus, the creator of the Pokemon universe. This movie explores themes of destiny and the consequences of time travel, which leads to a battle that will determine the fate of existence itself. 9th, Pokemon the movie, Destiny Deoxys. When a mysterious meteorite crashes near La Roche City, Ash and his friends meet Deoxys, a powerful and enigmatic Pokemon. This movie shows thrilling battles and highlights the importance of understanding and acceptance, as Ash learns to connect with Deoxys beyond their first conflict. 10th, Pokemon Forever, Celebi, Voice of the Forest. At the top of our list is Pokemon Forever, a timeless story featuring the mythical Pokemon Celebi. Join Ash and his friends as they take on a sinister villain and discover mysteries of time travel and friendship. This movie is a memorable journey filled with adventure, heartwarming moments, and unforgettable experiences that capture the true meaning of the Pokemon spirit. There you have it, our top 10 best Pokemon movies part 2. Whether you are a dedicated Pokemon fan or new to series, these films offer captivating stories and memorable characters that mark the timeless magic of Pokemon. Which movie is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting content on Anime List. And remember, for unrestricted access to Pokemon movies and beyond, check out NordVPN using the link in the description. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey across the Pokemon world, and until next time, happy Pokemon watching.